I think we had a lot of plans. Like,
That it didn't work out.
yeah, it didn't work out. And
Kasi
super.
ilang away na yung inabot namin dito.
To the point na talagang ring off na ayaw na namin. Pero thank God, no, we stick it through. Yeah. Our original plan is supposed to be in Banff.
October.
Yeah, October, tas sa Banff.
Banff.
Kasi gusto namin yellow leaves, tapos family lang. Tapos ngayon, na-open, naging 10, naging 20, naging 40.
Up to, naging 60
65.
people.
Oh.
65. Stress relieving.
Like after?
After? Very happy.
Yeah, I think na-relieve ako.
Yeah.
But, I feel like I want to do it again. Can we get married again?
Yeah.
Dancing underneath the endless sky, all the colors they collide.
Labasan na ng bao to Ay, nasa yung phone ko. De, congrats.
Never know what it could hold. All the sapphire emerald gold. The story's waiting to be.
Basta sasabihin ko sa'yo, Jello, huwag kang umamin.
It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life.
Ang favorite part is nung pumarap ako kay Shaira.
Ako, nung time na yun, pagkalingan na parang, oh, this is gonna be my ito yung past ko, ito rin yung future ko na, yung parang, I'm looking on my future na, down the aisle.
Ako, parang, yung teary-eyed ako, pero pinigilan ko.
Ako din! Grabe yung nung bibig ko, parang gagaganong ko na, parang hindi lang ako maiyak.
Kaya nga.
All the joy and all the pain.
They say in marriage it's 50-50. I believe it's 100 and 100. Because there will be days one of you won't be your 100, the others will have to put in the whatever part is missing. Okay? Yeah, be patient, be forgiving.
It's a beautiful life.
Happy spouse is a happy house. Congratulations and best wishes, and we are all here.
Favorite ko sa kanya yung parang hahabulin niya ako yung pagka yung kunwari nag-atep ako, naalis na ako, sasabihin niya sa akin, no, gumaganon siya sa akin. Tapos yayakapin niya ako.
Favorite thing ko is when you wake up, you always kiss me on the forehead.
Every sunset, every sunrise.
Sa Pilipinas, kapag mag-aasawa ka, sabi nila, lalagay ka sa tahimik. I don't know where they get that because marriage is not tahimik for sure. It is chaotic, but it's the most beautiful chaos.
Every sunrise, every new breath, every goodbye, all the mountains, the adventure.
Shaira, you took away my Jello. I want you to replace Jello.
It's a beautiful life.
Right away.
It's a beautiful life. All the little things, all the golden dreams. I just wanna be in a beautiful life.
This is my little way of saying I love you and thank you for everything.
Every day, ikaw ang pipiliin ko. Kahit na maghiwalay na to the point, pero pipiliin ko pa rin na ikaw. At the same time, gusto ko pahalagahan yung love ko sa'yo.
One thing I can share, I will always take care of you, no matter what. Kahit nagpapababy ka lang or may sakit ka talaga. And wherever we go, it's gonna be a fun one.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a long ride, but a fun one.
Yeah.
Mr. and Mrs. Yu signing off.